All right. I'm doing a little something new today. Just for me. It's not really trading stuff, but something new. I didn't trade today. I didn't trade today. I didn't trade because I had a freaking final at 7 in the morning. So I didn't. But as you can see, this is New York. Right here. This is New York session. So, whoops. Oh, yikes. This is New York session, so not lots of movement. So I would have stopped trading anyways around here, and then that happened after. But so yeah, not much happening overall. But I'll go over this in a sec. Is this even recording? Okay, yeah. But so the new thing I'm doing today is I'm making a. Hopefully y'all can't hear my dad screaming on the phone, but I'm making a little spreadsheet. I've only used this for chemistry. So we're gonna have to go. Okay, my dad's talking to like his brother or something. Um. All right. So today I'm gonna make a spreadsheet about personal growth. So this column right here is gonna be the date. Okay, column B is gonna be what was it? Physical win. Did I spell that? I definitely fucking spelled that wrong. That's embarrassing. I probably spelled that wrong again. Let's just look it up, honestly, because I'm... How... What the hell is in my shared with me? P-H-Y-S-I-C-A-L. P-H-Y-S-I-C-A-L. Okay, I'm right. Let me get rid of that. All right. Mental win. Oh, why is it in all caps? What the... Mental win. Oh my Christ. Okay. So date, physical win, mental win, something I did that sucked. Okay. How do I get it so it's just like rap? Something I did that will just sucked. How do I get this to rap? Oh, why is this not fun to do already? Rapping. Rap. Okay, there we go. Something I did that sucked. And then trading. Right? That's it. Just trading. This is something new I'm just doing for me. Okay, sorry. Okay, so the date. Today is the 18th, I think. Yep. So 12, 18. All right, physical win. So I'm doing this every single day. So, and it's got to be thoughtful and good. And then after this, I'm gonna go back to the charts. Um, physical win. A physical win I had today. Basketball practice. Basketball practice. Plus keeping it intense. Oh, did I really have to wrap all of this? Really? What the? Oh my. Insert or no format wrap. Oh, keeping it intense. Format wrap. This is rough. Okay, we'll see what this does. Format wrap. Okay, boom. Mental win. What did I do mentally? That was a mental win for me. I've got it. Accepting the fact accepting the fact that I can't that I couldn't trade today, and being okay with accepting what I can and can't control. Accepting the fact that I couldn't trade today and being okay with accepting what I can and can't control. Okay, yeah. That's my mental win. Mentally for me, like, especially after the big week of losing all that money, I've been wanting to trade to make it all back. So today was just a big day of just not looking at the charts, which that's what hard work looks like sometimes. It's taking as weird as it sounds, hard work kind of looks like taking a break when it comes to trading. Something I did that sucked. I know exactly what to put for this one. My finals in school. All right. That's basically, let's see here. My finals in school. Okay. And then trading. So here, let's go here and just take a look at all this stuff. Still recording. Can't wait to freaking floss. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to go over the trading for the day. So news today. It's Wednesday. Nothing too crazy until 2 o'clock. There is red folder news at 2 and 2:30, and as you can see, 2 o'clock, boom, huge candle, 2:30, boom, boom right there. Not as bad, but all right. So going to the daily. Just gonna mark out daily liquidity as usual. This is if I were to trade, okay? Actually, let me go to some bar replay action. Wait a second. Start trading in bar replay mode. Why can't I do this? All right, now let's see here. Let's go full screen. Okay. Let me reload this. Okay. Daily replay trading, launch bar replay. Here we go. 5 minute. Launch it to 9 o'clock. Boom. Okay. So now, daily time frame. All right. So looking at the daily, what do we have? Daily highs right here. We're in a downtrend. Obviously, you can see that where price is moving in downward. It's kind of just common sense. So we're in a downtrend right there. We have highs right here. Lows right here. I don't think this wick was formed yet in the replay mode. I don't know why it's here. Lows right here. More lows right here. Okay, so that's on the daily. 4 hour. Let's see here. Yep. All right, looking at the 4 hour, we've got 4 hour highs right here. Move that here. 4 hour lows right here. Right. More 4 hour lows right here. Well, we already swept those. Okay, yeah. So 4 hour lows right here that just got swept. Right there. More 4 hour lows right here. Okay. Oh, and some 4 hour highs right here. All right, so yeah, now we go to the hourly. We'll take a look here and see what's going on. Looks like I got everything pretty spot on. We'll put this right here. Okay. All right. 4 hour bearish, right? Look at this. You can kind of predict it. In a downtrend. Pull back down. Pull back down. Pull back. You could expect price to move further down. It's kind of just right there. So, wait, let me go back to the hourly. This is what's happening on the hourly right now. All right, so in the hourly, we've got hourly highs right here and lows right here that just got swept. Okay, so we are bearish, but equal lows just got swept. So now, right, these lows just got swept with this candle. So on the 5 minute, what am I looking for? Now break of structure plus fair value gap entry. Let me look at market open. Okay, market opens right here. So sweep those, right? I'm waiting for a break of structure, which would be right here. Okay. But honestly, the liquidity, the break of structure would be so close to liquidity. I don't know how this would play out, but we'll just keep going. Okay, so price never even comes close to that. So we wouldn't have taken the trade, right? No break of structure. Plus I'm bearish anyways. I want to be taking shorts. So I'm waiting for a sweep up, a sweep of highs. Okay. But now we sweep these double lows, like maybe that was just a retest and we sweep for real. We're just waiting. Okay, market opens. Okay, nothing's really happening, right? Well, these are kind of out of the question. So yeah, keep playing. Boom, right here. Sweep these lows right here. And obviously I have something else marked out. What's this from? Let me go to the hourly. Okay, those right there. So yeah, so we did sweep those. Break of structure is all the way up here, right? So obviously I'd wait for a break of structure now. So here we go. Boom. Nope, still no break of structure. All right, yeah, so basically like price action today, you can just let it play out and see. All right, before this, let me go back here. Okay, this is price action all the way leading up to from New York Open all the way until 2 in the afternoon. New York Open to 2 in the afternoon. And look at the amount of volume, not much. Okay, so I wouldn't have traded today because not a crazy move happened or anything. Here's a move that if someone who sits on the charts all day and finally waits for a move, this would have been a crazy move. Is you put this fair value gap in right here and you wait for price to come up into it. Boom. And then you go short and but that's also trading news, which is extremely risky. That's, as you can see, like that's what a news candle does. That's why I don't trade news, is because look, when I shorten it out, this huge candle is so unpredictable to compare to everything else. So yeah. So yeah, I didn't trade, and honestly, today if I did trade, I probably would have got fucked anyways. So I'm glad I didn't trade. I definitely would have traded anyways, just based off of the stuff happening. No break of structure, just no good movement in the charts really. So yeah, go back to the spreadsheet. Whoops, go back to the spreadsheet, and I don't know what is happening. I'll reload this. All right, so trading. I didn't. I didn't trade today because of my final period. I'm glad I didn't, because price action was not good. Period. If I did take a trade, no, not if. I wouldn't have either way, because there was never a liquidity sweep, break of structure, fair value gap setup, right? So yeah, plus daily bias. Right, okay. So now let's see what this looks like wrapped. Overflow, clip, wrap. Wait, I want to see what this is actually. Yeah, I don't want that. What's this? No. Nope. All right, yeah. So that's basically what the deal was for this. That was my. This is just a new thing I'm doing every day. I don't know how I can, if I can get it like longer. That's not what I want. That's not even close to what I wanted. Like I don't know how to shrink it up. But anyways, so yeah, that's basically the new thing I'm doing. Yeah, price. Let's take a look and see what price action is going to look like for tomorrow. Because 4 hour. Right, 4 hour downtrending. Like clearly, we are in a downtrend. We just here's the thing. We just swept major 4 hour lows. Right, these 4 hour lows, right here. So we could get a potential little up move into this huge 4 hour fair value gap. We'll see what happens overnight. That also I think is in equilibrium of this range. We'll have to look. Yeah. So we could get that to happen and then dump down. We could inverse it. It's hard to tell. But if you were a trader, look at this. Someone probably made money off of this. Someone definitely made money off of this. Right? Liquidity sweep. Most recent high. Right? We sweep. Most recent high was right here. Right here. Break above. Fair value gap stops below the low. That's a picture perfect setup. Look at this. Liquidity sweep, right? This is the liquidity sweep of these 4 hour lows. You can see the 4 hour lows are all the way over there. I don't really want to go look, but right there. So then you get a break of structure right here. Right here. See that off of, let's see here. Okay, you get a break of structure right here off of this candle wick high, and then this candle closes above it. So then you get a fair value gap, which is created right here. right? And this is a perfect example of why you don't put your stops close to the fair value gap. Put them at the most recent high. So you could have done this long position, stop loss just below these lows a little right here, maybe 1 to 2. Boom. Just like that. And then you can also, or you could have taken it off this fair value gap right here. The fair value gap, the most recent fair value gap, though, after the break of structure and liquidity sweep is the one that's going to have the strongest reaction. And then if you're smart about it, could have taken, like you can literally see there's another 5-minute fair value gap right here. Right? And price came literally right into it right here. And then decided to reverse a little. The fair value gap I'm talking about is right. Let me look. Here, right? In between these two candles. So yeah, you could have taken longs all the way up to there. That's a 1 to 4. All right, that's a really good trade. Yeah, but obviously daily buys is short anyways. But there's opportunity within the markets everywhere, guys. The strategy works just like that I showed you. It's just all about how you can manage your risk and only take A+ setups because this is a game of probability, guys. So yeah. Okay, anyways, going into tomorrow. That was a little off track. Oh yeah, so going into tomorrow, we could have a huge move up. Like I said, we just swept these lows, and then we have this 4-hour imbalance right here. That price probably will fill, I'd assume. And then that's basically we've got. Let me look on the hourly. Yeah, I kind of filled in the hourly, but I think it's going to go just a little more just because there hasn't been a crazy reaction off of it yet. That's basically all I'm seeing. There's more lows right here I can mark out. Right, there's more lows right here. But yeah, so we'll just see what happens. I'm assuming price is going to continue downwards. So tomorrow we could look at some really good trades. We'll check the news out tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow 8:30 there's red folder. My trading plan says only 30 minutes after news is till I can trade, so that's perfect anyways because market open is until 9:30 and this is at 8:30. Gross domestic product, the final thing, I guess. So that's probably gonna have a big impact. Unemployment, how many people are unemployed, or how many people claim for unemployment. Lots of important stuff going on. So I'm assuming probably the 8:30 news will be something to watch out for. I'll mark out the 8:30 news tomorrow, which would be right there. So yes, in this time period right here, we're expecting some crazy movement to happen. And yeah, that's basically it for the video today. I know it's pretty boring. No trades recently, and it's finals week, so I'm a little busy. But yeah, that's basically. Oosh. Yikes. That's basically all that's going on. Don't forget, guys, like and subscribe, okay? And yes, that is. Wait. Ooh, jeez. Oh. And yes, that is basically it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And whether I trade or not, I will be doing this spreadsheet thing. So, yeah. Just keep looking out for that. And that's basically all I have to say for this. I'm gonna figure out the spreadsheets a little more after this video and just look at it a little more, figure out how I can better that. But anyways, yeah, stay tuned for the next video and don't forget to like and subscribe.